What's up guys, you're watching another video. Puppy sent me 85 in the GTR like always. Guys, the amount of money I spent on gas, the amount of money I spent on gas is ridiculous. I think I spent like $900 a month on gas. Like that's literally ridiculous, bro. That's a whole nother car payment. I should just get a Tesla, bro. Tell me, Jordan. What's up, food? Are you vlogging? I like the shirt. Where's the GTR one though? Guys, today is Formula Drift. I'm super excited. I've never been to this Formula Drift. It's at Long Beach. Adam Alzia is there. He's gonna be drifting. Hopefully we get to see him drift. Hopefully we get to see his car in person. I've been to Formula Drift before. I think I vlogged it, but it was at Irwindale Speedway. This one's at Long Beach. I've always wanted to go to this one. They drift on the streets of Long Beach, which is freaking sick. They literally shut down the streets in Long Beach, build like a racetrack, and then they drift their 1,000 horsepower race cars everywhere. It's gonna be lit. I'm super excited. We're pulling up in the GTR. I think Sam's drift car is there though. Guys, look. Nick's not wearing Vans, dude. Jordan made me buy some Dunks, bro.
You gotta change it to swag, homie.
I feel weird, dude. I don't know. I can't rock. Dude, I don't know. All I wear is Vans, but
yeah, me too.
I guess we're gonna change it up a little bit. Let me know what you guys think. Did it look stupid or did it look cool? Should I rock them? Can I rock them? Oh shit! I'm gonna tell Adam Alzia to like tag me in real quick. I'll do one lap. But yeah guys, it's gonna be sick. I'm super excited. About to see some really sick cars and super loud cars. I think Formula Drift is like my favorite sport, bro. It's so sick. I can't wait. All right guys, we finally parked. There's no parking here. Look at this. Damn. There's actually a bunch of like modified cars in this parking lot. There's a 240. That's a 242, right? Yeah. This guy took up 2 parking spots. Look at that, guys. The first car we see, an E46. That thing's so clean. Oh, that's where they start, bro. Oh shit, they're all right here. Dylan, another E46. Bro, we gotta hurry up and get in there, bro. I need my car to look like that, guys. I need to get a bumper. I need a hood. That shit's crazy, bro. We're trying to walk to the entrance. I don't know where it's at, but you see how fast they're going? Look at this, guys. All right, finally we made it. We literally walked all the way over there. I don't know if you see that white building over there. We're all the way over there. But we made it. It's sick. They have like a car show and they also got drifting. What is that, bro? Damn, dude. That shit is crazy. E46. Well, it looks like my car. Red. Damn. Guys, that's a GTR motor and an FRS. That shit's crazy, dude. It looks like a fully built GTR motor right there. That's so crazy that they throw that motor in there. There it is, bro. That's a big ass turbo, dude. The homie LZ. It's sick how you can walk around and see all the drift cars like in person. All of them are so crazy too. Like these are fully built drift cars. A Supra. This is all over Gustavo, bro. Come on, Gustavo. You need a whole new engine, bro. 2JZ. That's so sick, dude. And look at the interior, like carbon fiber dash. That's big baller shit right there. Look at this setup, bro. Like it's just so clean in here. All freaking nice. This thing is wild, guys. A Ferrari drift car. Is it really just a Ferrari? And it's a V12. V12 Ferrari drifting. Well, you can see a nitrous bottle in there. Guys, look at this thing. M4 drift car. And it's all messed up, dude. I got the same wheels, guys, from my E46. I just haven't threw them on, but look at the nitrous bottles. Look at the E92 M3 over there. That's just pink. Looks sick. God damn. Guys, look how fast they come around. Like, you can't even see them. What if my car just comes over? Damn, they sound crazy, bro. Like they come so fast around that corner. Probably doing like 100 miles per hour, bro. shit is insane, dude. Jeez, bro. Wow, we're gonna get stuck with the smoke all day. Ryan Turk spun out twice. Oh, he hit the wall. That's crazy. Boom! Ryan to the tires. Oh, those shit sound crazy. I think they both spun out, I think. Guys, there's 370Z has a GTR motor. Damn, both those shit sound crazy. Bro, that sucks. This car is messed up. What happened, bro?
Right there.
It just like snapped or something. It's about to be me. God damn, bro. E46 looks so sick drifting. I need to make the front end look like that, dude. That shit looks so clean. Dude, that's Mustang versus Mustang. These guys are quick, bro. It's about to be so loud. Oh shit, bro. There. Oh shit. That's crazy, bro. It has to be the Mustang on, Jordan. He ran over that sign. God damn, bro. Look at the smoke. Sheesh. Imagine how many tires they go through, bro, all day today. I think they can only do it like 2 times and then they gotta swap tires. So that's like $400 every freaking couple runs. This is the last one, guys. The last 2. This is about to be Jordan right here. Bro, you gotta get your Mustang back up running, Jordan. Damn, bro, look at the dash.
Look how clean that is.
It's so clean on like just simple look. He just has a little dash. That's it. Carbon Kevlar seats.
Oh yeah.
Sheesh. You gotta do that windshield too, Jordan. This shit is wild, bro. They got a whole cart full of nitrous and tires. Jordan, take one, bro. Let's put it in the GTR. Damn, look at these. You got a whole squad, bro. These things are clean. 240, right hand drive. So sick, bro. I want red bucket seats. The other Mustang. Damn, they get beat up, bro, when they compete. Look at the door. This is all from like people hitting this tire right here. That's how close they get, guys. Oh, same setup as the other one. Sick, bro. M2 fully drifted out. That's badass. Corvette. Shit's sick. With 4-star wheels on it. Adam Malzi's car. Just chilling. Wish I got to see him drift, but when we got here, he wasn't competing anymore, which sucks. Like they got all the BMX bikes out here. RX-7 sound insane, bro. It might be one of the sickest sounding cars. Alright guys, back home. This is actually the next day now. That Formula Drift event was freaking sick. I wish I filmed a little bit more because I feel like I didn't film enough. But it was freaking awesome to be there and experience that shit in person. If you guys have never been, make sure you guys go one day because it's freaking insane. To see how fast and loud all those cars are, it's just crazy. But anyways, after the event, I didn't film it, but on the way home, something happened to my GTR. And it might be broken, guys. I'm super scared. I don't know what it is. It's my biggest fear, guys, driving this car. My biggest fear is something happening to like the transmission or the engine because it's not cheap. Once something goes bad with the transmission, you're looking at like $15,000, $20,000, something, right? Same with the engine. If something happens on this engine, it's probably the same amount. If the turbos go bad, anything like that. As you guys know, I drive this car a lot, and when I drive it, I literally beat the crap out of it every single time. I mean, I just drive it how it's supposed to be driven. It's a GTR, and it's so much fun. I just can't drive it normal, bro. But anyways, I was literally just cruising home. I wasn't doing anything stupid. I was just cruising home, me and the homie Jordan, and then we started hearing like a weird like drone noise, like a very deep noise. I recorded it on my iPhone. I'll play it right here. No way. So yeah, as you guys can hear, it sounds like a freaking Subaru, bro. Like it sounds like, I don't know what it sounds like. It sounds like a tractor, dude. It doesn't even sound like a GTR at this point. So what I'm guessing, I think it's an exhaust leak. I think, and I hope it's an exhaust leak. I hope it's nothing with the motor. It's just like the whole car just sounds different, bro. Like, it does not sound like a GTR. So I'm scared that like maybe the motor's not running to its full potential or something. Like it just sounds like it's like, I don't know, like it's just not there, you know? Or it could be like a huge freaking exhaust leak, which I think it is, because it happened on my M3 ones. I had an exhaust leak and it sounded like a tractor, bro. I can hear it, I'm listening underneath the car and I think it's a big ass exhaust leak. I talked to a couple of my GTR buddies. They think that maybe it's like the downpipe has a leak, or the downpipe could actually be cracked, which I hope not, because I have to buy new downpipes. And I don't want to buy new downpipes, but whatever, that'll be cheaper than a new motor, new transmission. But yeah guys, something is wrong with the GTR. The GTR is broken. I wanted to go on a cruise today and I can't even take it on a cruise because today's Sunday. Every shop is closed. I can't go look at it at 412 right now. Oh my God. Yeah, it has to be an exhaust leak, dude. Okay, see, that's what's scary though. Like, why do I hear like a rattling, bro? What could it be? What could it be? The engine doesn't sound weird, so that's a good sign. It's not ticking. My motor's not blown. I don't think. Everything's tight. That thing feels loose, but like that. I want to take it to 412, make sure none of these clamps are like leaking or anything, so there's no like boost leaks. It doesn't even sound like a GTR anymore. It sounds like a freaking Subaru or something. Bro, it sounds so bad. Shit, does not sound like a GTR, dude. It has to be an exhaust leak. I'm thinking it's an exhaust leak. I'm actually not gonna drive it because I don't want to mess it up. Oh, that sucks. Anyways, we're gonna take it to 412 tomorrow, hopefully, so they can check it out. I'm probably gonna do an oil change too, because I haven't done an oil change in a while. But I'm gonna end the video right there. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash the like button for me. I appreciate it so much. Subscribe to your boy if you are not already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.